Hello there. Today's video is on CSS and specifically list styles. So I have this plain little page, there's nothing on it. We're going to make some lists. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Let's do a unordered list first because those will be easier. And let's put some list items in here. So li and thing, close that. Let's save that, copy it. And we'll put three things there and the page. There we go. So you can see the circles on there. Let's go ahead and get started on the style. So style, and we'll close the style. Let's do a li style as well because that'll be important. Li curly brace, enter, and we're going to do a border of solid black 3 pixels. Save that, refresh. Now we got a border around all of the list items. Now we want to do a ol, sorry, not an ordered list, a ul. One unordered list, curly braces. And there's 3 tags we're going to talk about that actually serve the purpose. The one tag we're going to talk about has 3 different properties, and there's 3 children tags to it. So there's a list, style, image, position, and type. And we're going to be talking about list style, which covers all 3 of these in one. So let's do that, colon. And since we have the unordered list, we can actually specify what we want to see. Say circle, save it, refresh. We can do a disk, do a square, refresh, or none, and refresh. So let's go back to circle, and there's also list style position of inside, which means that it brings it inside of the list item. There's outside. That's why I put the border on, so you can see that it's actually outside the list item. There's none. Oh no, sorry, there's inherit, which means it's going to inherit whatever its parent item is doing. Okay, let's start messing with some ordered lists now. So ordered list, which would be an OL instead of a UL. And when we save that, you can see now it's counting. I'm going to get rid of that border. We don't really need that now that we've seen the inside and outside. Refresh. There we go. So there's list styles for unordered list just as there is ordered list. Now, oh, I forgot one thing. On the unordered list, you can also do, well, on both of them actually, you can do a image of a URL, open parentheses, open quote, and I'm going to do a pic/square.png. Save that, refresh, and it uses an image instead of the numbers or the circles or the squares, which doesn't make a lot of sense with the ordered list, but with the unordered list, it kind of makes sense. Alright, so let's get back here to, you still get the inside or outside. But you also get many more options, such as decimal. You get decimal leading 0, which puts a 0 in front of the decimal number. There's also other languages such as Armenian. You can have CJK, idea graphic, probably IDEO, yeah, graphic, which stands for Chinese, Japanese, Korean. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to look like. Probably not, because I don't have any of those languages on my computer. There's Georgian. That's Georgian, the country, not the state. You can also make it count in Hebrew. So there you go, Hebrew. There's hiragana, Japanese language. Hiragana, iroha. Probably mispronouncing that, but there you go. There's a katakana, iroha. There's a lower alphabetical, lowercase letters. There's upper alpha. There's upper Latin, which looks the same thing. There's lower Latin. Looks the same as lower alpha. Lower Roman and upper Roman. Or again, there's also none. But if you didn't want anything, why did you choose an ordered list? Because ordered lists are meant to be counting. If you don't put anything at all, of course, it defaults to just regular numerals. But there you go. So the property we looked at was list style, and some of these are exclusive. Obviously, you know, you can't do circles in an ordered list, and you can't do Hebrew in an unordered list. But there's three properties to it. There's list image, list style image, list style type, and list style position. So hopefully you'll get to use this in the future, and thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the experience of this tutorial, why not share it with your friends?